Hello dear students, now in this module we'll learn about moving the text. This feature is used to move the text from its original location to a new location. I'm again telling, this feature is used to move the text from its original location to a new location. Now let's learn steps for moving the text. The first step is that you have to select the text. I'm again repeating, first of all you have to select the text. Then you have to click on the cut button that is present on the standard toolbar. Or you can also press Ctrl plus X key from the keyboard. Third step, the text will disappear and it will be temporarily placed on the clipboard. After using the cut button, text will disappear and it will temporarily be placed on the clipboard. Now you have to bring the cursor to desired location. Click on Paste button that is available on standard toolbar or press Ctrl plus V key from the keyboard. Now let's see how can we move text in LibreOffice Writer. To move text, we have to use cut and paste options. So cut and paste options are used to move the text. Now to move the text, again the first step is we have to select the text. After selecting the text, we can use these shortcut buttons also that are available on standard toolbar. So we can use this cut button also that is available on standard toolbar, and also we can use cut option from the edit menu. We can also use the shortcut key that is Ctrl plus X. I have told you 3 ways. First one is we can use cut option present on standard toolbar. Second option is we can go to edit menu and use the cut option, and the third one is that we can use shortcut key Ctrl plus X. Now let's use this cut button now. So let's use it. After clicking on cut button, the text has disappeared and it is temporarily placed on the clipboard. Now bring the cursor where you want to paste the text or at the location where you want to move the text. Now we can paste the text using this paste button or using shortcut key Ctrl V or using paste option in edit menu. So let's try the paste button on standard toolbar. Just click on paste button and see that the text is pasted at the new location. The text will be pasted as many number of times as we want. So this is all about cut and paste option. Thank you. I hope it is clear to you all.